A lot of research shows that addictions are usually something to help fill a void, or help you cope with something. So whether you're using your addiction to cope with pain, or to cope with boredom, or to cope with loneliness, addictions are oftentimes filling a void. Addiction carries with it a huge stigma, and I think a lot of people are sometimes afraid to come forward with their addiction because of the fear of how their family is going to react, how their coworkers are going to react. The shame around addiction is a huge, huge part of it, and often shame is what keeps people using their addiction for so long. If I had someone in my life who was struggling with an addiction, I think my first piece of advice to them would to go see an addiction counselor. There's lots out there. Go see an addiction counselor. They can set you up with a residential program if that's what you wish, or finding the treatment that will work for you. And through that, you may go off to treatment, and then you can always come back to them. And you'll see a counselor who you've known, who's gotten to know you, who's supporting you. Go see someone that you like. Go see someone who's knowledgeable. A great place to start for finding help would be go see your family doctor. And they can often refer you to counseling services or to whatever services they feel would be best for you. A second option would be to self-refer. So you can find the counseling that you think would be best for you yourself, and you can refer yourself to the counseling process. Now, I know that counseling can be a very scary thought, and it's very scary to some people to start the process, but keep in mind that when you enter a therapeutic relationship, that it should be non-judgmental, you should feel safe, everything you speak about will be confidential, and even if you're feeling hopeless, even if you feel that you have no hope in your life, I would encourage you to seek counseling, because sometimes we need to borrow hope, and a counselor can be a great place to find that borrowed hope.